2025, the Honda CG125 continues its reign as one of the most trusted and iconic motorcycles on the road, blending simplicity, durability, and affordability in a way that still appeals to riders across generations. This year's iteration preserves the bike's classic DNA while refining subtle details to meet modern expectations without compromising the rugged charm that has made it legendary for decades. The first impression is unmistakable. The CG125's timeless silhouette still stands proud, with its slim tank design, chrome accents, and clean lines. The bright and polished headlamp unit remains functional yet stylish, complemented by clear turn indicators that add to its neat appearance. The bike feels compact but sturdy, built with a frame that has been engineered to withstand daily wear, uneven roads, and long-term usage. Exactly the traits that made it so loved by commuters and enthusiasts alike. Underneath, the heart of the CG125 is still its reliable 124cc four-stroke OHV engine, delivering a crisp throttle response with a sound that riders recognize instantly. That deep, confident exhaust note that signals both power and endurance. The carburetor setup is tuned for fuel efficiency, making this bike economical to run, especially in urban environments where fuel prices can be unpredictable. The kickstart system remains, adding to its mechanical simplicity and giving riders a tactile connection to the machine. Riding the 2025 model feels reassuringly familiar yet slightly smoother, thanks to refinements in suspension tuning and improved seat padding. The front telescopic fork and twin rear shocks absorb bumps well for a bike in this category, and the narrow build allows effortless maneuvering through traffic. The upright riding position keeps you comfortable for both short city rides and extended journeys, making it a practical choice for everyday commuting. Honda has retained the analog instrument cluster, which shows speed, mileage, and basic indicators without overcomplication. This is exactly what many riders appreciate. Fewer distractions, more riding focus. The braking system, featuring a reliable front drum and rear drum combination, performs dependably, although some may wish for a front disc option in the future. Where the CG125 truly excels is in maintenance. Its simple mechanical design means repairs are straightforward, spare parts are widely available, and costs are minimal compared to more complex motorcycles. This is a bike built to last, with stories of owners riding the same CG125 for decades, passing it down through generations.